Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. As in my last video, I was telling you that if Bitcoin moves more down to test the support of the falling wedge, very big falling wedge on the weekly time frame, then there will be a very high probability that Zilliqa may also move down to test the support of the previous wedge that was working as a resistance previously before the breakout. And this was the falling wedge that Zilliqa broke out on the weekly time frame. And we can see that Bitcoin moved down and tested the support of this big wedge on this weekly time frame. And Bitcoin has also tested this very strong support of $28,600. And we can see that since after January 2021, this support is not broken down. And we can see it is working as a support here since January 2021. And if we switch to the daily time frame chart and move back here in the month of January, then we can see here it was breaking as a resistance as well. When we had this very big rally, it was rejected here, and finally it broke it out here, retested the previous resistance as a support, that is $28,600, and moved up once again. And now on the weekly time frame, it is very obviously clear that it is working as a very strong support. Like here we tested this support several times but could not break it down, and here we have tested the support, could not break it down, and once again we moved down, even though we had a spike up to $25,400, but it is recovered back. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame right now, you can see it is again moved above this support. But it all depends on the weekly closing. If the weekly candlestick will be closed above this support, then we can expect this support is not broken down and it is saved. And we also need to save this support of the falling wedge pattern as well. Now let's move back to the Zilliqa coin. Right now we can see that with the Bitcoin moved down at the support of the wedge, because Zilliqa had already broken out this resistance of a very big wedge, and this was the target, by the way, for this wedge, that was 23 cents. And it also moved down and tested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that it tested the support here and getting bounced very well. And before that, we can see that we had a very strong support of 6.8 cents. It has been working as a support here. And if we watch the previous history, it was working as a resistance here and as a support here, and almost as a support here as well, and as a support here, and as a support here in the month of May 2021. So it was working as a very nice support and resistance. Therefore right now it was working as a support, but finally we have broken down the support, and now we are at the next support of 5 cents. And right now it is moving slightly below than that support, but after getting bounced this support that was previously working as a resistance of the wedge, it is possible that we may break out this resistance, this support of 5 cents that is now working as a resistance on the smaller time frame, because we are moving below than the support. And once we will have a closing above this 5 cents, then there will be a possibility that the price line may try to break out the next resistance of 6.8 cents. And on the daily time frame, we are still moving inside this down channel. And previously when I shared, then even at that time we were in this down channel. Right now we are testing the support of this channel. We had a very long spike but recovered back, and we are still moving at the support of this channel. And if we will have a bounce by this support, then this time the resistance will be at 7 cents. It means that we can break out the next resistance once we will have the bounce by the support of the down from the down channel on the daily time frame. So it all depends on Bitcoin move. I'm expecting that we may have some sideways move here, because this is a very strong support, and then we will start another move to break out this resistance. And this time this resistance of the Bitcoin wedge is approximately at $36,500. In that situation, Zilliqa can start another rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. Take care. Goodbye.